Hello guys, welcome to another toys video. Let's start. Today we have so many toys. At first we have a tank. Tanks are war tanks, guys. It's very powerful at a point. It can just throw missiles like and destroys many countries, like very powerful countries have this type of tank. Second, we have a helicopter, guys. It's a war helicopter. It can just fire like, oh no, our helicopter broke. Oh no, guys, our helicopter just broke. Sorry. It can fire like this, guys. Let's throw. We have a truck, like it used for construction site and coal mine, diamond mine, like these types of things. It's very useful it's a part of our life. We have a light car. It can just blow light like this. Let's throw him another side. Whee! Oh no. Let's go. Yes. We have a very. Here comes our monster. His name is Monster, guys. Comment, do you like? If you don't like the video. Wow, it's very powerful and big. It can run very fast, like this, like just see, guys, it's very powerful, so use this carefully. We have this 2-minute truck, like, no, sorry, it's mini car. It's a very nice and its color combination like police color combination. It's very gorgeous, guys. And we have a Jeep car. It's have two cans. It's soda can. See, guys, red colors. One is Coca-Cola and this is Sprite. Car color is yellow. I like yellow cars, guys. If you like, comment in our video. We don't know. Go there. Yes. We have successfully passed so many cars. We have a CNG also, guys. CNGs are public transport like bus and so many public transport at our country. Very traditional transport of our country is CNG and rich cars. We also have a big vehicle. It is very powerful. It used for coal mines, like very big mines and charcoal mines. You know, these are very dangerous things. This is very gorgeous because it was like this and pour out the dirt and take this like this and put it to the truck. We have an airbus. Oh no, our airbus broke. Let's fix it. Yeah, guys, we have fixed it out twice. Yay, hooray! It's a airbus, very big transport, like it flows on air. The model of our plane is Airbus A390. It's a very big in real life. We have the toy version, but not the big real life. If you want to see the real one, please like and comment the video. We have a very big army victorious. It's like the model of our tank is K99. It's very like dangerous things. Wow. We have a man in of our tank. The tank color is downside green and upside yellowish. Let's skip it. And last but not least, we have a truck. It used on charcoal mines. We have a big. It has a very big tire for the grip because it blows very heavy materials. We have also a public transport, double-decker bus. It by this using people can travel very easily and very sporty thing, like it's very useful in our life. Let's keep it. At last we have these two things. This is a very mini vehicle and it's red color. Usually it's in yellow but it's big. And last we have an CNG in pink color. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. These are our today's toys. Bye.